Welcome to this new section of Smart Logistics. In this course, AI in operations management. We are now taking a look at the second part of supply chain optimization. So, in this section, we will give you an in-depth view of smart logistics for supply chain optimization in operations excellence. And we will begin by discussing what logistics. So, smart logistics basically does the optimization of routes, you know, for delivery, saving costs and improving delivery. So that is in nutshell about smart logistics. Let us take a little more details. So, smart logistics refers to, integration of advanced technologies like AI, IoT, machine learning, big data, automation, and cloud computing into the logistics and supply chain ecosystem. So it's the marriage of technology and the ecosystem. And that makes the operations faster, cheaper, more accurate, and highly responsive. It plays a crucial role in supply chain optimization and is a key driver of operational excellence. Let us let us take a look at smart logistics more at a more granular level. So smart logistics uses data-driven intelligence and automation. So the two key things, automation and data-driven intelligence, to basically do a few things like track shipments in real time, right? Optimize transportation routes and warehouse layouts, predict delivery delays or bottlenecks as and when they happen, reduce operational costs, and improve customer service and experience. So that's smart logistics at more granular level. Now, what are the core components of smart logistics? What makes up smart logistics? So, there is obviously Internet of Things, IoT, sensors in trucks, containers, pallets, which monitor temperature, location, movement, etc. Then there is artificial intelligence and machine learning, which will predict demand, optimize routes, do the prediction failures, and do the smart scheduling. Then there is the part of this smart logistics could be RPA, which automates routine back check tasks like billing, inventory, updates, etc. Then there are digital twins, which simulate and monitor supply chain performance in real time. Then big data analytics is the part of this as well, which analyzes trends, forecast demand, and identify inefficiencies. And blockchain is also a part of smart logistics, as you will see later on also, because it secures transparent tracking of goods and documentation. And then there are autonomous vehicles and drones for deliveries and warehouse movement. So it's a whole ecosystem as we see here. Now, how does smart logistics enhance supply chain optimization? You know, in the area of transportation, it lowers fuel cost and faster delivery through real-time GPS and dynamic routing. In warehouses, it leads to faster fulfillment, lower errors by AI assistant pickings, AGVs, right, robots. Then for in the area of inventory, using predictive analytics and demand sensing, you have you can do the right stocking at right time, leading to fewer stockouts. And in fleet management, you have reduced downtime and maintenance through telematics, driver behavior analysis, etc., etc. In the area of customer service, you can have better experience and transparency through real-time tracking and ETA updates. And in returns management, through smart reverse logistics, you can have cost savings in returns management. So that's how smart logistics enhances supply chain optimization. Many things, right? So let's take a look at few use cases as examples. Let's take a look at Amazon. Now, Amazon uses AI to predict product level demands at warehouse levels and then deploys Kiva robots. Also, deploys Kiva robots to automate picking and sorting. So, two areas they spend a lot of effort in smart logistics. DHL uses smart clusters for warehouse staff, vision picking, and they have IoT-based fleet tracking and dynamic route optimization. Merckx has implemented blockchain for container tracking and customer clearances and uses AI to optimize shipping schedules based on port traffic. So these are some use case examples of smart logistics. So what are the benefits for operational excellence? You have reduction in logistic cost of transport, labor, and inventory. You have improved inventory accuracy, so your actual system inventory ties up more frequently, more widely with your physical stocks. Then there are faster order fulfillment rates. Then there is proactive decision making with real-time data, and you have more sustainable supply chain operation established with smart logic for operational excellence. So, what is the, let's take a look at a checklist for implementation of smart logistics. We will talk about how to do that as we go forward, but let's quickly see a checklist here. Now, the steps will involve assessing where you identify logistic pain points and data availability, then analyzing where you use ML models to predict delays, optimize loads and routes. Then you connect, add IoT sensors and tracking devices. You automate where you deploy bots and autonomous systems where feasible. Then you do visualization by using dashboards for real-time monitoring, and then you iterate by improving with continuous feedback and that. So that's its implementation checklist for smart logistics. We will take you through each of these steps in subsequent lectures. So what is next? So we will look at how AI optimizes routes for delivery, saving cost and improving delivery speed. So that's an interesting area. So we will dig deeper into how that happens. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on smart logistics. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer the questions and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.